Thanks for checking back in at St. Paul Harley-Davidson. Today we're going to check out updates for your boombox sound system going through the internet. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to go to harley-davidson.com, and then once you're on the site, you're looking for the Owners tab. Click on that and you'll see this whole column of software updates. If you know exactly what your system is, you can jump to it, or if you just click on the main heading, it'll bring them up so you can sort through it. Then you've got your selection. So today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the GTS and get the latest updates. So we'll click on that. There's also some videos on this site that are pretty helpful as well. You just keep scrolling down and you'll see the list of software updates. And I'm just looking to update the infotainment system or the sound system. So I'm going to go ahead and take a flash drive, insert that into my computer, and then I'm going to click on download. And we'll click OK when that download box pops up. So once you open the zip file, you'll see the ISO file. I'm going to go ahead and copy that over to the flash drive. And once that's completed, we'll move over to the motorcycle and download it into the system. So now that we've downloaded the latest software for the radio onto a USB stick or a flash drive, the whole procedure is pretty simple to update the bike. We're just going to locate your USB, plug it in, and follow the prompts on the screen on the radio, and it'll walk you right through it. So in this case, here's our USB cord. Now you want to go to accessory to minimize the draw on the bike. If you don't know how long the download is going to take, then it's a good idea to have a charger plugged into this as well. After you turn it to accessory, it should start downloading. If there are any prompts, any actions it wants you to take, it'll tell you to click here or do you want to retry. But in most cases, if it needs to be updated, it's going to just start downloading the packages of files. And depending on how long it's been down, since you had a download done, there can be upwards to 12 or 14 I've seen. But typically they're going to be half a dozen or less. And now you're all set. So just to recap, it's as simple as plugging in the USB, turning on the radio, use accessory mode and a battery charger if needed. Follow the screen prompts. It'll walk you right through, should take right off and go. At the very end, you'll get the prompt that it is going to restart the radio and boot up the download. If you hear music, you're all set and good to go.